Dear Humanizing team, with our new website comes a powerful sound branding. This is a brief overview of its architecture. Basically, we translated some of our core brand values into sound. There is a quality-related sound like this piano. We made it more popular and remarkable through a melody. We brought in some robot sounds from Pepper. Can you hear it? We added an innovative synth. Then we needed more heart and humanity. And last, not least, we made it solid and solution-driven. To fit the more calm touch points, we did a soundscape. And a remarkable sound logo, of course. Humanizing Technologies. By the way, I'm Simon, the voice of Humanizing Technologies. Maybe you heard it, I'm a German native speaker, but if needed, I can speak a little bit of Wiener Schmäh as well. For example, "Geh, küss die Hand, schöne Frau." My voice will make your communication easier. I just need your text. After that, the voice files are ready in between 3 to 5 days. Hear you soon!